Okay, so we're looking at reflections again, Ixl level J P6. But the difference is now, instead of actually asking us to actually plot the point, they're asking us to just tell what the coordinates would be of the image, in this case M prime. So we see point M here is at -4, -1, and it's being reflected across the x-axis, which means it will be here now. And that means -4, +1, because it's on the other side of the x-axis. Here we're moving point L, we're flipping it across over here. So we're at -3, -2. Point A is going to move from 4 spots below the x-axis to 4 spots above. We still have to pay attention to the x-coordinate though. So -5, +4. Now this is a little different in that we're moving it not across an axis, but across a line. So we're moving it across this line x = 1. So u is 1, 2, 3, 4 spots away from this line. And that means that u prime will be 4 spots away on the other side. So if we can correctly identify that ordered pair, it looks to me like 5, 5. And we're good. Point L is just going to shift over here to 1, 3. That was easy. Point A prime, A is at -6, but it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots away from this red line. So A prime will be 5 spots away on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means it'll be at 0, 4, +4. All right, so finally we're reflecting across a non-vertical line. So you remember from P5 that when we have this y = x, or in this case y = -x, the points are going to switch positions. They're going to be interchanged. So instead of -3, 2, they're going to switch. And the sign is going to change because of the opposite there. So instead of -3, 2, it'll be -2, +3. In this case, we're interchanging without changing signs. So from -2, 2 to 2, -2. You can see where that mirror image would be right there. It would be an exact reflection across the line. Okay, so finally we're looking at a shape rather than just points. So we've got PQRS is this rectangle here, and it's being reflected across this vertical line, the y-axis. And that means that, let's start with P. P is currently at -8, -4. Where it's going to be is +8, -4. When I do the reflection there. And then point Q is at -8, -3. So point Q will be at +8, -3. R is at -1, -3. So it'll be at +1, -3. Sorry. And then finally, point S prime is currently at -1, -4. It will now be at +1, -4.